We can start now, Asha.
So, hello everybody. Welcome to this session on reverse aging naturally. My name is Asha Shivram, and along with me today in the program, I have my colleague Ishita. So, a warm welcome again to all of you. Let's start. So, I would like to start by introducing WellCure to you all a little bit. Maybe some of you already know about WellCure, but for those who are new to our platform, WellCure is a online health platform focusing on natural healing and natural ways of living. On our website, which has been newly revamped, you can see different sections. In the body wisdom section, you can read about health blogs from different kinds of topics. You can also see the different kinds of programs we are currently running, like this one. On the healthy recipes section, you can learn to make oil free, dairy free, and gluten free healthy food. You can find hundreds of recipes submitted by people like you or from our own health experts. You can, in the health journey section, read the health journeys of many people who have reversed their health conditions and who are today living a life free of medicines. And in the online courses section, you can visit our e-web store and you can enroll to many of our courses which are available as self-paced courses. You can do it from the comfort of your home and even get certified. In the solve queries section or the Q&A section, you can post your own questions which will be answered by other people from the community or by other health experts. You can also already browse through hundreds of questions which have been asked by other people. So this is in brief about Wellcure app. You can download our app from Google Play Store or the App Store. So please download it if you haven't and be notified of all the interesting events we are currently doing. So let me start by giving a brief introduction about myself. So my name is Asha Shivram. I'm a health coach and a nature cure practitioner with WellCure. I am a Sharon certified plant-based nutritionist and I conduct several health programs like this. And for those of you who already know me, so hi to all of you. And I would also now like to introduce my colleague Ishita. So, Ishita is a yoga and wellness instructor. And Ishita, can you give a brief introduction about yourself?
Sure. So, namaste everyone. Hi, it's great to be here among you all. Like Asha mentioned, I am the yoga wellness instructor with WellCure, and I've actually been a practitioner for close to about 8 or 9 years easily now. And because it's made such a profound difference in my own health and well-being, that's why I took this decision of sort of taking forward this knowledge and also completed my teacher training course under the guidance of some of my teachers who taught me yoga, and they have been affiliated with the Bihar School of Yoga. And as with respect to the academic qualification, I've completed my master's in nutrition and health communication, and I now advocate and coach people to adopt plant-based eating and a holistic lifestyle to reach their health goals with WellCure. So that was just a brief introduction about me, and we can carry on with the session. I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Ishita. So let us start by understanding the trend, in life expectancy over the years. So you can see from this graph that expectancy all over the world has been showing an increasing trend. So across all geographic regions, there is a increase in life expectancy. That means people are living longer and longer, right? And in India specifically, the life expectancy now stands around 70 years. So the average life expectancy is around 70 years. But does longevity actually translate to good health? People are living longer, they are living longer lives, but does it generally mean that they are living healthier? if you see the overall trend, the general health of the population is declining. Many diseases attributed to old age are now appearing in the younger population. So these diseases, for example, diabetes or even premature graying and balding, um, many of the new nomenclature diseases, we are now seeing that they are having a trend in which they have started appearing even in middle-aged population, and even many diseases appearing among children now. So it shows that even though the life expectancy across the world is increasing, it does not mean that people are living a longer and happier life. So, when we think about age, how do we measure age? So, normally, when you say that I am 45 years old or 46 years old, we generally talk about the chronological age. So, chronological age means the number of years you've lived on this, number of years you've lived on this planet, for example. Whereas biological age is a measure of your actual physical and mental health. So it is about your physiological age. So these can be two different things. It need not be that you're biologically at the same age as your chronological age. It may be that your biological age is lesser than your chronological age, or it may also be that you're biologically older than your chronological age. So these are two different measures, and there are different ways in which biological age is measured. There are some tests like DNA methylation, which measures your biological age. Some doctors use blood tests, or they even do a an examination of the person, and they can kind of say how old you are biologically. So, chronological age is something we cannot control, because even from the time of conception, that is, even as a fetus, the doctors, start measuring the age of the child. So they say that, the fetus is so many months old, right? Or once the baby is born, then the counting starts. So many weeks old, so many days old, so many months old, so many years old. So chronological age keeps increasing, whereas biological age is something which is under our control and which we can even reverse. So this program is all about how we can control and reverse the biological age if we want to, and age at the pace we want to. So how do we think, about aging? What are the frequently uh, used attributes which we give to age, right? So when we say that I'm getting old, right, we frequently use terms like tiredness, slowing down, weight loss or even weight gain, loss of muscle, loss of muscular strength, graying of hair, like posture, for example, a stoop posture, or a general thinning down of the frame, wrinkled or dry skin, and nowadays even chronic diseases. So whether it is our own thinking or due to outside factors which affect our thinking, it is unfortunate that we attribute all these factors to aging. So, what is your internal dialogue on health and aging? Do you think about aging and health in terms of these? Do you think that it is heredity? So, if there are any, health issues you're going through, do you think it is because of your heredity factors? Is it because a person in authority, usually a doctor who told you that, this is inevitable and this is a symptom of aging and nothing can be done about it? So this is how it is going to go on. Is it society? Is it the people around you? Is it, the people you look up to, or your friends, or somebody in your circle who tell you that this is how it should be? Or is it statistics or media who tells it like this? So there are different factors, which influence our thinking. And we all know that the way we think has a big bearing on the way we project ourselves outwardly. So it is said that our cells are always listening to our thoughts, right? So the kind of thoughts we think, the kind of internal dialogue within what we have within us, due to all these outside factors, also influence our age. So here is a very interesting study done by a researcher who, studied pockets of population spread across different geographical areas of the world. They called it the Blue Zone study, and they studied all these, 5 areas in the world where people seem to live for a very long time as compared to other areas of the world. So there were a lot of centenarians in these pockets, and they seem to be living a longer and healthier life. So they undertook this research, to find out what was the cause and what were the factors which had such a positive influence on their health and longevity. And what came out of this study is I have split it into these different factors. In terms of food, they found that these people primarily ate a plant based, simple food. They had moderate alcohol, or in some places, even nil alcohol consumption. They avoided sugar and processed foods. In terms of activity, they had, moderate activity, that no excessive exercise or anything like that, but they were self reliant, and they did their own work themselves, and they were engaged in whether it is gardening or doing their own household work, and generally being self reliant. Now, the third one is mindset. What was the mindset? They were generally happy. They lived a simple lifestyle. They were happy with what they had. They had a low stress kind of life, and they had a strong sense of purpose. That means they really believed that they were living, for a cause, and they were happy with what they had. And they had this, a kind of internal drive within them. In terms of community, they usually, all these people, they lived in very tight knit communities along with their own tribes. And the interesting part is, they, young and old people, everybody lived together, and they, shared their happiness. They had tight knit families and friends and social gatherings. So they found that, all these factors definitely helped in them living a longer life. And the interesting thing is, these were all common in all these societies. So from this, we can get many clues in, how this can influence even uh, what we can do in our life to live a longer and healthier life. So, this is just one of the studies which I will be sharing when you join the program. There are many, 2 or 3 more interesting scientific studies which I will be sharing, which is like really amazing. You will understand that, how so many factors are there when it comes to longevity. So, not only scientific studies in the program, I will also be sharing Nature Cure's view. So, as you know, WellCure is a natural healing platform. We focus on Nature Cure. So, how does Nature Cure fit into all this? So, in terms of Nature Cure, we believe that slowing down or other diseases attributed to aging and longevity, as I showed before, is all due to the accumulation of toxins in the body. So, toxins come to our body from different factors, primarily due to the wrong way of living, and toxin accumulation is the single cause of ill health. So, one single cause for all kinds of diseases, and the body has self healing and self maintenance powers. So, this is not unique only to human beings, this is endowed to, this is a, all organisms in nature have this power. So everybody has this power within themselves, and if you correct your lifestyle, your body can self heal and self maintain. The quality of life is built on the conservation of body's vital energy. So all of us have a quota of vital energy which has been given to us at the time of conception. And it is like, how you manage your money. So how do you manage this vital energy, this vital currency, and where do you distribute this energy in different areas of life? So that will in turn influence your longevity and sense of life, the way you live healthily throughout life. So disease is nothing but a lowered state of health, and the body needs the right biological conditions to thrive. We will talk about this more in the program. What are the different factors which influence health? It's not just food, but there are different other factors also which we will talk about. All these factors put together contribute to conservation of our body's vital energy, because once this quota of vital energy is over, it is time to leave this planet. So that's what determines our health and longevity. And it is possible to reverse the biological age, and this is what we will be learning in the program. So I wanted to introduce the format of the program. The program will be run on Zoom. So we will have 3 live sessions. The first session is basically a theory session where we will learn more about scientific studies. We will learn about nature cure and its principles, how it is related to longevity and health. We will learn the concept of toxemia, conservation of vital energy. There are several interesting quotes from nature cure greats, uh, from whom we will learn and understand what it means. We will talk about food and aging a little bit, mindset and aging, which is also a very important factor. And you will get to meet 3 people from different walks of life, who will come and share their experience about how they reversed aged, and what did they experience, and what changes they brought into their life. And it when we read something or somebody tells us something, it doesn't really strike as possible, because we are so influenced by media or by what we read somewhere else, or what doctors tell us. We feel that that is the truth and it is not possible to reverse age. But when you get to hear from these people that they overcame so many issues, and they are living a very different lifestyle compared to where they were before, then it feels that it brings a lot of positivity and hope. So the first session is on 10th June, Thursday, between 5 to 6:30. And the second session is a yoga session, which will be taken by Ishita. It's on Friday. And she will be talking about, it's a demo come practice session. So you will be doing muscle building exercises, flexibility exercises, brain yoga, and face yoga. I'm sure it's going to be a very fun, participatory session. And the third session is on 12 June, which is on a Saturday. It's basically food focused. You will learn the food principles for a healthy lifestyle, a sample diet plan, and I will also show a live demo of 4 different dishes: a detox juice, an energy bowl, a bone building salad, and a digestive drink. So we have 3 fun sessions planned for you, 3 fun and very interesting sessions, all one after the other, on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday next month, 10th, 11th, and 12th. In case you are not able to attend this session live, you will also get the recordings, and these recordings will be available with you for 90 days. You can watch it as many times as you want, and you can practice it. You will also get a free recipe book for the demo dishes which I will be showing you. And you can, if you are not able to attend the live session and ask questions, you can always leave your questions on our e-learning platform, to which you will be given access when you register for the program. And you can always leave your questions there and we will get back to you. So now I would like Ishita to come and tell us a bit more in detail about the yoga sessions.
Okay. Hi, everyone, again. Thanks, Asha. So, it's pretty clear. My role in this workshop is going to be to help everyone learn a few yogic practices which are going to help or assist in combating any early signs of aging. And I think it's pretty well known that, with each passing year, there are increasing number of research papers, publications, which are conducting studies, which are conducting and proving the efficacy and, the potency that yoga has in combating different ailments and even reversing some of them. All right, now just to give you a sneak peek into, what is the role of yoga in the aging process, I found plenty of research papers, but the reason why I zeroed on this one, and because we're so blown by science, I think it's important to share it from a scientific perspective, is that this is one paper that tells you what happens when you do just 12 weeks of yoga. That's 3 months. Okay, what happens at the cellular level? Okay, it all starts at the cellular level, right? Damage, repair, both the things. So this was a study which was conducted on 96 participants, and what was seen was just 12 weeks of specific yoga practices helped in the improvement of so many things: genomic stability, telomeric metabolism. Both of them basically mean that they're extremely important in keeping your cells healthy and maintaining a youthful life of those cells for a longer period of time. Okay, so what yoga basically does, they found out, was that it sort of, it activates that DNA damage response pathway in your body, and it starts the repair work, all right, which has occurred in our cells. Okay, again, telomeres are those type of those part of our chromosomes which are responsible for conserving the cellular longevity. Also oxidative stress. Okay, it helps in lowering the oxidative stress in the body, and sources of oxidative stress are excessive stress, the toxins which enter our body, the environmental pollution, wrong living and eating habits. So all of that, yoga, is like a protective covering. Okay, it forms, or it reverses, it starts those mechanisms in your body which triggers reversal of these cellular aging. Again, it improves the neuroplasticity. Now, neuroplasticity is something that sort of determines how fast is your response rate or how fast you're reacting to something. All right, so collectively, all of these things can be very well managed, with a regular practice of yoga, meditation, and all of this progression can be basically slowed down, right? And prevented. That acceleration can be prevented. Another very useful thing is that there's a very overall positive influence, which has been seen. So yoga is very, very holistic, right? It's the amalgamation of your mind, your body, your breath. Okay, so when compared to individual interventions like, say, physical exercise, uh, or just calorie restriction, or just taking in some antioxidant pills, yoga works as a holistic thing. Okay, it works on all the different levels. So it's not like one single pronged approach. It's a multi-layered approach which is happening on your body. It's working on a very higher level, right? It's making a difference at a very profound level in your body. All right, and it's definitely more beneficial, more advantageous than individual interventions. All right, I would also at this point like to share the story of you know Tao Porchon. So she is the world's oldest yoga teacher, and she passed away at the age of um, at, a, at an age of 101. So she was a practitioner for about 93 years, and she was teaching for 45 years. And so her energy, what she shared in her interviews, was that her energy came from the breath of life, and breath is everything, right? You may be eating a few things, you may be drinking specific things, you may be incorporating certain lifestyle aspects, you may be taking certain medicines, but nothing will work unless you are breathing right. So breathing right is something that's extremely important determinant in the aging process, which many of us sadly do not really know. Okay, how to breathe right. Okay, that is something that will also be covered in the practical aspect of the workshop. Next slide. All right. So now, just to break the monotony of the session, this is something that's quite interesting. And for this, I will also be opening the chat after this activity. But first, let me just, explain this activity to you. So I happened to attend a recently conducted WHO webinar in which there was this mobility test which was given or shared with participants. So basically what you have to do, and I urge all of you participants, okay, if you can do it right now, it would be really interesting. It won't take much time. It's just going to take under 15 seconds, okay, under 15 seconds. So what you have to do is you have to cross your arms, okay, and place them on your shoulders. So cross your arms, place your opposite palms on your shoulders. I'm sure that most of us are sitting on some kind of a chair or sofa kind of a setting. Okay. Now I'll be starting a timer for 14 seconds, and I want you to count the number of times you can get up and sit down. Okay. Just count the number of times you can get up from the chair. All right. So please keep the note of that number and share it on the chat when we open the forum. Okay. So I'll be starting the timer, and everyone, you can get prepared for the practice. Cross your arms, sit straight. So again, a reminder, you will be counting, okay? Keep standing up and down till I don't tell you to stop, okay? So it's a 14 seconds thing. I'm going to start the timer now. Please begin. Wonderful. Okay, stop the practice. Stop. All right, now I am going to open the chat and let's see the numbers. Uh, Quickly, if everyone can tell me how many times you could stand up from your chair. I hope you all are putting the standing up. Okay, I don't want standing up plus sitting down, just the standing up number. All right, just the standing up number. Wow, some really good numbers, some really, really good numbers. That's great. Okay, so I'm seeing some wonderful numbers. Okay, now what is the magical number that should be that you should achieve in order to be safe, or in order to determine that you have a good mobility? Okay, it's 5. Okay, 5 and above means you have a good mobility. Okay, great. Okay, now again, yeah, somebody has asked for an explanation again, so I'm going to quickly explain you again. So this is a basic mobility test which has been given by the World Health Organization. Okay, what you have to do is you have to cross your arms over your shoulders. All right, there's going to be a timer which is going to start for 14 seconds. All right, you will stand up and sit down from your chair. You will be counting the number of times you can stand up. Okay, so 1, this is 1. Okay, 2, 3. All right, so this is the way we count. All right, now 14 seconds is what is the time which is given. A count of 5 or more is considered to be a good mobility range. Okay, really appreciate you all for participating in this. In the practical part of our session, what we will be covering is in front of you on the screen. Okay, now everything that goes wrong with the cells. Okay, now in the previous slide we saw, there are a lot of things which start on a cellular level. Okay, and then that manifests out, right? And it may show as wrinkles on the face, or it may show as deteriorated memory. It can show as joint pain. It can, different things for different people. So we are going to be covering small little aspects of, different things which are very particular to aging. Okay, combating aging or reversing the signs of aging. So that will include a couple of facial exercises, okay, couple of brain exercises, couple of exercises or tips for muscle building, practices for joints, for healthy joints, and also I'll be giving you a general plan, a general yoga flow that you can do every single day to see all those benefits which we saw on the previous slide, all of those benefits. Okay, so that plan, if you follow for the set number of times in a week, that will give you all the good benefits that we spoke about. All right, so that is something I think I've set the expectations for the practical part of yoga. Somebody has asked for Hindi. ये so I'm sorry, but I'll quickly revise. So क्या cover करने वाले हैं हम लोग इस workshop में from the yoga perspective? Face yoga करने वाले हैं, wrinkles, lines, वो सारी चीजें combat करने के लिए face yoga सीखने वाले हैं. कुछ चीजें मेमोरी अच्छी करने के लिए ब्रेन योगा हम सीखने वाले हैं. जॉइंट्स और मसल्स, ओके, उनको हेल्दी कैसे रखना है उसके लिए हम कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस सीखने वाले हैं. और एक जनरल प्लान कि कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस रोज हमें करनी चाहिए या कितनी बार वीक में करनी चाहिए, वो सारी चीजें आपको इस वर्कशॉप में सीखने को मिलेगी. We will be answering questions at the end of the session as well. For now, I am, my bit is, I conclude here and I'll be taking up questions later on. All right. So thanks. Thank you.
So thank you, Ishita. It was a very interesting exercise. So I hope everyone warmed up. So I just wanted, to talk a bit about my health journey and why I believe that this is possible. So it has come from experience. So you can see how I was, in 2011, and the next photograph was taken when I was in at 2018. I'm now 46 years old. I'm a mother of two children. My older one is 19 years old, and my younger one is 13 years old. And way back, I came into this lifestyle around 7 years back. And before that, I was having a lot of health issues. I had slip disc problem. I had thyroid problems. I was hypothyroid. I had irritable bowel syndrome. I was suffering from anxiety, stress, and also general low sense of life and self-esteem. And after I changed my lifestyle and moved to a healthy, natural, nature sync based lifestyle, today I can say that I have more energy than I had when I was in my 30s. I have reversed my health issues. I feel I have more clarity in thinking and making decisions. I have a more positive outlook towards life. I'm able to deal with stresses. Of course, we all have stresses in our daily life, but I feel that I can deal with stresses with a calmer mind. In fact, though my name is Asha, I was always teased, by my family and my friends that, I should have been named Nirasha. So I had a very pessimistic outlook towards life. And I feel that after the age of 40, when I changed a lot of my lifestyle, I have become a lot more positive in my outlook. And there is a lot of self love towards myself. So I didn't mean to share this as a way to, boast about how it has been, but I just wanted to give a uh, sense of possibilities, that it is possible to reverse age. If I can do it, all of you can also do it, and it is possible. And you will hear the same thing from the other three speakers who are going to come for the sessions on the first day. Okay, so let's move ahead. So you will be meeting three guest speakers. So the first speaker is another lady who will be speaking about how she healed from skin issues and depression. And today she looks very young and she's more energetic. In fact, when you see her photographs, you will be amazed. She looks like a model. She also does modeling, and she's a single mom but she has turned around her life with lifestyle changes and mindset. And you will be meeting another middle-aged man who healed from skin issues, cholesterol, and he even has experienced reversed graying, that he was able to reverse his graying hair, and how he feels very fit today. The third person is another lady who you will meet, and she will speak about how yoga and exercise and the importance of good habits from a young age helped her transform her life, and how it she is also a single mother looking after a specially challenged child, and how taking care of herself has helped her to take care of all the things which life has brought her, right? So if you are wondering if this program is for you, whether you should attend it, so I would say, look at some of these questions, especially if you are about 35 years, right? So, 35, 40, around that age, that is the age when we not only have responsibilities towards our children, but that is also the age when we are also probably looking after our parents who themselves are getting older. So this is the age, when we have to be very careful about our health, because there are a lot of other lives who are dependent on us, being healthy, energetic, and being self reliant. So, if you are, I mean, this program is not just if you are older, you can even join if you are younger, but this is probably more relevant if you are above the age of 35 years, if you want to learn to reverse and more importantly, prevent health issues, feel energetic, gain some muscle, improve your posture, the body you have, improve your appearance, get clearer thinking, be independent, self reliant for as long as you live, right? We know the importance of this. Feel empowered that you're not in control of some outside factors. Your knowledge is going to make you self reliant, and uh, in today's age when there is so much fear going around, right, you will feel empowered. You can release fear and misconceptions through knowledge. You learn what to eat, when to eat, how to eat, with our food session which is going to happen in the program. And the most important thing here is that nobody is going to get out of here alive, right? So aging is a given, we are all going to age, but how to age with grace, health, and happiness. So if these points vibe with you, then I feel that you should definitely enroll for the program. So now I'm ending the session and opening up the session for Q&A. If you have any questions, Ishita and myself are happy to take it. So just before I come here, I would like to show you, for those of you who joined late, these are the three sessions. It's on 10th, 11th, and 12th June. This is in the evening, 5 to 6:30 p.m. So very sorry that I did not put the AM or PM here. So all these sessions are in the evening between 5 to 6:30. So there are three sessions: theory session, which is the first one, then the yoga session, and then the food session. So if in case you are unable to attend one of the sessions or all the sessions, you will be given access to the recordings. You can ask questions on the e-learning platform where all these recordings will be put up, and you have access to the recordings for 90 days. So this is in brief about the format of the program. So if you would like to enroll for the program, the scan code is here, and there's a special discount we are giving for those of you who are attending this live session, this intro session. This is only for you guys. It's now at 15% off at 594 rupees, and this is valid only till tonight, till 12 p.m. today, till midnight. So you can also Google Pay and Paytm. The numbers are given here. So now Ishita and myself are available. If you want to ask us any questions specific to this program, we are happy to answer you. Okay, so Anupama, this is not a certified course, so we won't be providing. Let me scroll back. So the timings are in the evening, not in the morning. So Ayushi asks, are you going to give any tips for gray hair in growing children? Yes, during the session we can discuss about it. I am sure you know that skin and hair issues, many of you are going to ask about it. And during the first session, definitely we can talk about it. We can talk about why these problems are appearing in people earlier and earlier in life, right? So, a question for you, Ishita, if you can come online, will face yoga cover wrinkles and pigmentation?
Yes. So with face yoga, we will be working at the foundation level. That's the muscles of our face, right? So wrinkles, definitely yes. It will help in combating or reversing the wrinkles. As far as pigmentation goes, personally, I feel that it works on a preventive level, that it at least prevents things from getting worse, definitely, because the cells that you are now producing because of doing all the yoga and the good oxygenation and the nutrients which reach your face, there is healthy cellular production which is happening, which will prevent all of the pigmentation.
Thanks, Ishita. I think the next question, Madam, will some recordings for yoga sessions be available for viewing? Yes, Nishita, all recordings will be available with you for 90 days. So you can practice them again and again. So Indi asks, what about those already suffering from arthritis? So yes, indeed, it is possible that whatever information you gain from the program, if you follow it, it is possible to reverse arthritis. So I would like to combine it with. I saw a question somewhere else about somebody having dark circles and fibromyalgia. So I forgot to mention that I was also somebody who was suffering from fibromyalgia. I can understand how debilitating this pain can be. I used to have pain throughout my body, and I also had dark circles. In fact, if, from a very young age, and I have been able to reverse all these conditions. So we are not promising that in 3 days you can reverse all these things, but if you learn these principles and understand them and keep implementing it, it is possible to reverse from these health conditions. So Farzana has given your mobile number. So maybe Ishita, you can make note of this. So Farzana, the way to get admission to the program is, so this was a free session. It's a free intro session, but the actual program is a paid program. So if you would like to attend the paid program, so sorry, so you can scan, or you can message us, or you can Google Pay or Paytm to this number, right? So Kapil is asking about the recording of the session. Yes, this recording will be put up, and it will be informed to all of you. You can view this recording again if you joined late. It will take us a day for us to give you this recording. Farzana, so unfortunately, this program will be conducted in English. It's not done in Hindi, but we will try our best. In the program, if there are many people who request us to speak in Hindi, then we will, probably do a mix of Hindi and English. But most of the program will happen in English. Yeah, so Nisha, your question about fibromyalgia, spondylosis, migraine, dark under eyes, yes, it will help you. So it will help you to some extent, but if you have multiple chronic issues, then it is better you take a personal counseling with Wellcure health coaches, because it requires a more detailed understanding and assessment of your lifestyle. But it will definitely help, because like I reversed these conditions. So no, there's not a certified course. Yes, people suffering from all kinds of arthritis can with the diet and lifestyle changes, be able to reverse. In fact, if you go to our WellCure Health Journey section, you can see that what are the kind of conditions people have reversed and come out of the such problems. So all sessions, including Yogasana session recordings, will be provided to you. Today's session recording will also be uploaded, and if you have registered, the email will be sent to you. So this is a free class, but but to get access to the rest of the 3 sessions, you will have to pay. The details are there on the slide. So Ishita, would you know about this? Radha Iyer is asking any other way to make payment apart from Google Pay or Paytm?
Yeah, Radha, you can scan the code and there'll be a Razorpay link which will uh, which you'll get access to. I'll also share the Razorpay link here on the group so you can easily access it.
So Raghunath is asking, will you be sharing the recipes of the food session? Yes, you will be getting the recipes as a PDF. You will also be seeing me make those recipes. And more importantly, we will be discussing, a diet plan, and I will be explaining some of the principles of a natural diet. So, hopefully by the end of that session, you will be more empowered to make your own recipes and understand the principles behind it. So Rahul is asking, is it related with lifestyle or products? So Rahul, we are not selling any products here. We are talking about lifestyle changes. We are talking about food. We are talking about mindset. We are talking about exercise and yoga. So those are the main things we will be talking about in the program. We are not selling any products. So, Ishita, there's a question for you. How many exercises will be shared for brain and face yoga?
About 10 to 15 each.
Okay. So Vijay is asking consulting on personal. So maybe you're asking about personal consultation, Vijay. So we would request you to mail us at info@wellcure.com. You can write a mail to maybe you can put it down there, Ishita,
Yeah.
info@wellcure.com. And if you want a personal consultation, you can write to that email ID and we will contact you. So Nisha, I already answered your question about, fibromyalgia and the other health conditions. So Indy is asking, I am having osteoarthritis. Will this course help me? So Indy, briefly, the answer is yes, it will help you to understand and get rid of many of the myths surrounding these problems. But, to really get help on reversing this totally and being independent, it is possible, but it may not be possible just with the 3 days of the program. So I would advise you that you attend the program, understand the principles, try to do it on your own, and if it is not possible, then you can always take coaching from us. So Ekta is asking 600 rupees for just 3 hours session. So it's not just 3 hours, it is 3 sessions each of 1.5 hours. So Renuka asks, what is the duration for yoga? How much should we spend? So Renuka ji, so this is this amount is for all the 3 sessions. We are not asking for separate payments for each session. There are totally 3 sessions each for 1.5 hours, and you have to pay totally. You cannot buy, separate sessions. So if you enroll for the program, you are invited to attend all the 3 sessions. Ishita, there's a question from Anupama. Will there be any manual or ebooks for yoga session?
Yeah, there will be a document which will be shared with you, which will contain all the exercises. And you'll have access to the video, of course, for 90 days. The
Okay.
PDF will be yours for lifetime.
Okay. So Supraja asks about, can gray hair be reduced? Yes, it is possible to reduce and even reverse gray hair. So you will meet a person on the first session who will talk about, you know, how he experienced reverse graying of hair. So you will have to practice what we taught you for, you know, at least 3 to 6 months, because hair has a growing cycle, right? So if you diligently practice what is taught, then it is possible to naturally reverse hair issue problems. It also depends on your age. So, you know, graying of hair is a natural process. But if you are having premature graying, it is possible to reverse graying. And Rita asks about thyroid issues. Yes, like you know how I explained in today's session that the root cause of all health issues is toxins. We will briefly touch upon it in the first session, but reversing thyroid issues will take 3 to 6 months. And you know, like I said, for chronic conditions, it is better you take a personal counseling, but you can always learn the principles from this session and try to do it on your own. And if you need help, you can approach us. So Meenakshi asks, is it possible to attend any one particular session? So Meenakshi, that's not possible because you know each session is linked to the other, because we take the concepts, you know, one by one and explain. But if your question, you know, is more about face yoga, right? If you're more interested in face yoga, for example, we have another program coming up, right, Ishita? Maybe you can give details on that very briefly.
So we do have a recurring program, although we've not really finalized on that, but we do have the recordings available for, uh, the session that has been covered. If that's something that interests you, definitely we can share more details with you. The next live batch will be happening for sure, but we just haven't figured out the dates yet.
Okay, so Ekta ji says 3 hours, 600 rupees, very costly. So Ekta ji, it's up to you. If you would like to, you know, people are spending thousands and lakhs of rupees getting hospitalized and, you know, paying doctors. So, I mean, it's up to you. If you would like to join and learn about natural healing, you're welcome. Farzana, weight loss के लिए भी yeah, so you will be able to also experience weight loss if you follow this lifestyle, right? Syed asks, can sugar also be reversed? So, Syedji, I would say that, you know, chronic conditions like sugar problems, thyroid problems, all those things require more detailed and more rigorous implementation of what we are telling you. And it requires, you know, more hand holding. So, it is possible to reverse diabetes. Like my dad reversed sugar issues at the age of, how old was he? 65 or something. But we have to look at your case history. So it is better that you message us at info@wellcure.com and we will see how we can help you. So Ritu asks, if one is doing healthy diet and doing yoga regularly, does face yoga and brain yoga add benefit in aging? Yes, Ritu, definitely they do add benefit. So congratulations if you're already following a healthy diet and doing yoga. But definitely these are also other interesting fun facets of yoga and they will help you. So Vijay asks, any long-term support program? So this is a short program for 3 days. Though it is short, it will be quite informative. So for longer-term support, maybe you mean, you know, more hand-holding and more detailed support. So you can take, you know, more personalized counseling. We have 1 month health coaching programs where we help you to navigate through different kinds of health issues. So maybe that is something you can explore, and you can message us, you can email us, and we will give you more information. कब तक फीस देनी होगी? तो फरजाना जी, अगर आप आज एनरोल करेंगे तो आपके लिए डिस्काउंट है आज रात तक। नहीं तो आप कभी भी कर सकते हो. प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट्स, व्हाट इज द डेट इशिता? इज इट
10th of
10th? So
June.
10th को स्टार्ट होगा, उसके पहले भी कर सकते हो, बट अगर आज करेंगे तो आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. Okay, sorry. So yeah, I have removed the mouse from the QR code. Hope you can scan it. Naresh asks, will you send us a recording of today's session, please, so we can forward the same to our colleagues? Yes, Naresh ji, we will definitely do that. And we will inform it to the registered email IDs. You will get the recording by tomorrow. So the fees is mentioned. Please look at the screen. So the actual cost is $6.99, and today if you book it before midnight, you get a discount of 15%. For personal consultation, please email us at info@wellcure.com. So, Ishita, I hope you have put that email ID on the chat, right?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so Aishi asks, can you give us any tip, hair, hair tip or skin, so that we know how it will be? Yeah, so it's very difficult to answer this question with just one tip. So first thing is that you will have to stop using all kinds of chemicals on your skin and hair. For example, it studies say that it takes like less than 30 seconds for any chemical applied on the skin, to get into your body, because it is readily absorbed by the body. So we will be also sharing some links. It's not part of the live demo, but we will share some links with you where you can make your own moisturizer, or you can make your own hair cleaning product or bath product. And the thing what we are doing here is, see, the skin and the hair is nourished by the blood, right? So the same blood which flows to your arms, your legs, also flows to your hair follicles, to your hair bulb. So that's where your hair bulb gets its nourishment from. So by following the principles we talk about in the program, the quality of your blood will improve. So once the blood quality improves, the same blood which is flowing to your skin, to your hair, is going to nourish these cells better, and you will see the betterment of your skin or hair issues. So even on the first day, the two speakers are going to talk about how they reversed psoriasis, and I think the other person had eczema, and how they got rid of it. So in short, these are the kind of things we will talk about. So please don't be on the in the mindset that it's an instant cure. With natural healing, we are not after instant cures. Like, instant cures only come with pills, but then there is always a long term issue with instant cures. So what you do today is going to affect your health tomorrow. So it may give you an instant cure today, but that means you have not tackled the problem from the root, and that problem will come in some other form tomorrow. So uh, there needs to be patience and dedication to follow this lifestyle, and that is what we will talk about, and we will give you hope in the program. So by hearing the speakers who are going to come, and when we look at the scientific studies, you will understand that there are so many things which we understand wrong. There are so many which will be busted, and you will understand that health is very simple, but it is different from what we were thinking. So Tejashri says, I am 31 overweight. I do a lot of back work for hand and shoulder. Yeah, so Tejashri, probably then the yoga sessions will definitely help you. So it's a total, it's not just one part, which will help. So it's a change in the lifestyle. So it's also about food. Food plays a lot of part in bringing about pain in the body, especially acidic foods cause a lot of pain in the body, and it prevents the body from recovering from chronic conditions. So we will talk about that. How much time should we spend for yoga? Renuka is asking a question, Ishita.
So, like a funny story, when these questions used to be asked to my teachers that, how much time we should practice yoga for, or when should be done, when should we do yoga. So they used to always say that yoga should be done every single day, every single minute, every single second of your life, you know. But I understand where you're coming from and what the question, the intention of this question is. See, if you're generally healthy, you can restrict to 1 hour for 3 times a week. That's good enough. But if you have something which you wish to improve, some health goal in mind, then go for at least 6 times a week and with a 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes investment per day. All right. So that would be something that will really help and show results.
Okay, so there are a lot of questions, and I'm trying to, skip questions which I already answered. So please don't mind. So I also already answered about graying of hair. Yes, it's reversible to some extent. It is possible if you follow this lifestyle. It can definitely be reduced. So what will happen with graying of hair is whatever hair is already gray, that cannot be reversed. So that, every hair has a cycle of its own. It, falls after every 3 to 4 months. So the new hair which comes will be not gray. If you follow what we say, it will be darker, and in that way you will be able to reverse graying of hairs. But that is a process and it will take some time, and it is possible that the new hair which you get will be black. So definitely premature graying issues can be healed. Okay, yes, you can pay till 12 p.m. midnight. So there are some repeated questions. See, complicated questions, like I have heart issue, my father is diabetic, how it is possible to keep all the diseases at bay. We will be talking about this during the first session, that there is a lot of things which we think as heredity, but still with whatever genetics we have got, it is possible to heal from many of these health conditions with the change of lifestyle. But complicated long term health conditions require more detailed counseling. So please do not expect that within 3 days you can reverse these health conditions. I want to set expectations straight and be honest, but definitely you will get a feel of what is a natural lifestyle and what are the principles behind it. But for more chronic health conditions, it is better you take personalized counseling. Priyanka says, I'm suffering from irritable bowel syndrome. Does it help me? So, irritable bowel syndrome, I used to have irritable bowel syndrome. To some extent, it will help you, but it's a long term condition which takes more detailed work. It is better, if you can come for a more detailed lifestyle assessment and coaching, personalized coaching. So, Ishita, somebody is asking about daily yoga classes. So,
Yeah.
I think that is, you can quickly answer it, that is outside the purview of this program.
Yeah, we do have daily yoga classes 3 times a week. And if you want more details, I've shared the link in the chat.
So, Vijay is asking, these 3 sessions are not enough to get actual results in life. So, Vijay ji, it depends on your perspective. Like, I changed my lifestyle after I watched a video from a doctor. It was just 1 hour talk, right? And it influenced me. It depends on where you are in your life. So, like I said, if there are deep rooted health conditions, then you are right. 3 sessions are not enough to get the kind of results. So, what I'm saying is that you will be able to understand many things, and if you are able to independently, after the sessions, be able to make the changes, whatever changes you are doing, you will be able to see good results. But if there are long term health conditions and a lot of confusions and you need more hand holding help, then you can take personalized counseling. So, Ishita, some people are asking if we could share the QR code in the app group.
Yeah, we're
Is
doing
that
that.
possible?
We're doing that. Yeah.
Okay. Timings are from 5 to 6:30 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so all the three sessions are at the same time on 3 consecutive days, starting from 10th. So Shweta ji, about BP medication, you will need personalized counseling. We can't tell you that through this program because any, coming off from medicines has to be done in a more detailed manner. So our website is www.wellcure.com. Ishita, you can type it out in the chat. You can also install our app from Play Store on your phone. So Indi says, I did not get response for another course. So Indi ji, I'm sorry about that. I don't know which course you're talking about, but we always respond to everyone who has paid for courses. Please mail us on info@wellcure.com and we'll get back to you. So there's again a question about timings. The timings are from 5 to 6:30 p.m. in the evening. I will put up that slide again in case somebody wants to, These are the 3 sessions from 5 to 6:30. So Ishita has put up the Razorpay link and the website link. Did you put up the counseling thing also, Ishita?
I did, yeah.
Email ID? Yeah. So I don't see any more questions now. So thank you for attending today's session. I hope it was of some value to you and gave you some hope. I hope we will see some of you in the paid program, which is starting on 10th. So take care and have a good evening. Goodbye.
Thanks, everyone. Hope to see most of you there. Bye.